A quick look at what an electrician earns in Turkmenistan. The average electrician income in Turkmenistan is around 3,000 US dollars a year. After tax, that average electrician pay drops to $2,600. That leaves you with roughly $217 a month in take-home pay. While rural earnings are lower, an electrician's salary in Turkmenistan is noticeably higher in the capital, because in Ashgabat, you can bring home $3,100 after tax. Outside the main city, wages are smaller, but lower local costs balance things out. When asking how much does an electrician make in Turkmenistan, entry-level workers start well below the average before pay goes up with experience. Having a university degree is not required for basic work, but an advanced education helps you move into higher roles like site supervisor or chief engineer. Finally, small local firms pay modest rates, whereas large national or international companies pay substantially more.